The new Galaxy M20 is today's new hot smartphone for those looking for a Samsung device that could easily take the crown from the OnePlus devices while still rocking a price tag of $160 or 11,000 rupees in India. The M20 has the new display from Samsung, which they call it for the Infinity V display, also called for the water drop notch display. It's 6.3 inch and the display has 83% display to body ratio. In terms of performance, it has Samsung's Exynos 7 series 2904 CPU that is more than enough for smooth everyday casual tasks and gaming. The back of the phone is made out of plastic that could easily be scratched, but this had to be compromised in order for the price to be available this cheap. Picking up this, you can get it with two colors, ocean blue and charcoal black. Both are great color options, but a white color variant would be amazing if it could be released at a later date. The biggest reason why this device is worth over the other rivals is because of its battery. It has a 5000 mAh battery, and be sure that it will last you easily through 2 days with medium to high usability. The battery, together with the new One UI software of 2019 that Samsung has baked onto this device, are very competitive against other Chinese devices, such as Xiaomi Mi 8 II Lite and the Huawei Low Tire series. I think this device is a great purchase with its features such as 5000 mAh battery, 3GB of RAM, and the new refreshing design, and especially the new Infinity V display. Those who are looking for a low tier device but wants the new trends of 2018, this device got it all. With a price tag of only $160, 2019 gets a great start with more to come. Please give a like and don't forget to subscribe for more hot content to come. And I see you, Future Tech.